Top 10 storms in the world. Hurricane Katrina, 2005. This Category 5 hurricane struck the Gulf Coast of the United States, causing widespread destruction and flooding in Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama. It is estimated to have caused $160 billion in damages and resulted in over 1,800 deaths. Typhoon Haiyan, 2013. This powerful typhoon struck the Philippines, killing over 6,000 people and causing billions of dollars in damages. It is considered one of the strongest typhoons on record. Hurricane Harvey, 2017. This Category 4 hurricane made landfall in Texas and caused widespread flooding, resulting in over $125 billion in damages and over 100 deaths. Cyclone Nargis, 2008. This Category 4 cyclone hit Myanmar, Burma, causing widespread destruction and flooding. It is estimated to have caused over 100,000 deaths and $10 billion in damages. Hurricane Sandy, 2012. This Category 3 hurricane struck the east coast of the United States, causing over $70 billion in damages and resulting in over 300 deaths. Typhoon Bopha, 2012. This Category 5 typhoon struck the Philippines, causing widespread destruction and flooding. It is estimated to have caused over 1,800 deaths and $1.6 billion in damages. Hurricane Maria, 2017. This Category 4 hurricane struck Puerto Rico, causing widespread destruction and flooding. It is estimated to have caused over $90 billion in damages and over 3,000 deaths. Typhoon Yolanda, 2013. This Category 5 typhoon struck the Philippines, causing widespread destruction and flooding. It is estimated to have caused over 6,000 deaths and over $2 billion in damages. Hurricane Irma, 2017. This Category 5 hurricane struck the Caribbean and the southeastern United States, causing over $50 billion in damages and over 100 deaths. Cyclone Idai, 2019. This Category 3 cyclone struck Mozambique, Malawi, and Zimbabwe, causing widespread destruction and flooding. It is estimated to have caused over 1,000 deaths and over $2 billion in damages.